What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of This versus That. Today we are going to do a continuation of last week's episode. We're going to see if we can push the Zhiyun Crane M2 to the next level. Now, if you watched last week's episode, we put the kit lens, little bitty kit lens, on my A6500. It performs well, it's beautiful, it's awesome. But this week, I really wanted to push this gimbal to the next level. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop my Sigma 16mm on there, my biggest, heaviest lens. If you own one, you know what I'm talking about. This lens is massive. It's like you're holding a Chipotle burrito. It's crazy. But today, we're going to drop it on the A6500. We're going to put it on top of the Crane M2, and we're going to see how it performs. We're going to push this gimbal to the limit so that we can see how great or not this gimbal is. So let's get right to it. Roll the intro. This right here is my lightweight travel bag, and the Crane M2 actually fits perfectly into this little baby. See that? And then here I have the A6500 along with the Sigma 16mm lens. As you can see, it's massive, huge compared to my 35mm. I mean, you can see that thing is huge, right? So anyway, I want to go ahead and set this up and see if it will stabilize and in how long it will last. I guess that's more of the question, is that how long will this thing last with a lens like this, and what kind of moves can I do with it? So let's hook this baby up and take the first test. 1, 2, 3, go! Beautiful. All right, let's go. I say this is pretty cool. All the movements are all there. I can go from there to here. I mean, pretty far up, so I can actually go undersling if I needed to, and then all the way up like this if I needed to. So if I put it in POV mode, I mean, the motor is strong enough to hold it where I can literally go vertical like this, and it's okay. This is a pretty strong motor, I have to say. Most of the time, if I'm using a gimbal, usually when I'm going like this, the motor just fails. And look at this. This thing is holding it up. I'm able to spin and move however I want to, and I'm not feeling like the motor is struggling at all. That's definitely a big test for it, because if you can handle that, I mean, it's telling me that it's fairly strong, because my old Crane Plus couldn't handle this position at all. Look at this, it's staying, and usually you can feel the motor vibration in your arm, but here I'm not feeling that at all. I'm not feeling like it's struggling. Now, the one thing that I did change on this is that I went into the app, which it's all controlled on here. I don't have to go into my phone at all, but I went in here and I set the motor to strong instead of medium. So maybe that's it. All right, so right now we're gonna go into POV mode and we're gonna do some tricks that are going to really work this gimbal. Well guys, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed that episode. We really pushed this Crane M2 to its limit. I really truly think so. Because even my bigger gimbal still struggles under a setup like this. And so I have to give full respect to ZYUN for creating something that's so small and so powerful. I think I'm gonna have to sell my big gimbal. That's what this means. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed. And for some reason, if you do, please hit the like button. And don't forget to subscribe because we are going to see you in the next episode. Have a good one. Bye-bye.